Welcome back. Continuing the news. The Electoral Office of Jamaica says the final count of ballots for the September 3 general election is now complete for all 63 constituencies. In a statement today, the EOJ said, based on the final count, the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, won 48 seats, while the People's National Party, PNP, secured 15. At the end of the preliminary count last week, the JLP had 49 seats to the PNP's 14. However, a tie was declared in the Westmoreland Eastern seat, which was initially won by the JLP's Daniel Lawrence. This saw the returning officer casting a deciding vote in favor of the PNP's Luther Buchanan. Now, the names of both candidates were placed in an empty ballot box. The returning officer then blindly pulled a name from the box. Mr. Buchanan's name was selected. A magisterial recount for the constituency has been set for Friday. Under Section 47 of the Representation of the People Act, an application for a magisterial recount may be filed within 4 days after the day on which the returning officer has declared a candidate elected. The JLP is also expected to file applications for magisterial recounts in St. Anne Southeastern, where the PNP's Lisa Hanna won by 32 votes following the final count of ballots, and St. Catherine Northwestern, where the PNP's Hugh Graham secured 5,283 votes to the JLP's Newton Amos's 5,261.